under the boardwalk, down by the sea, on a blanket with my baby. That's where I'll be. Hey, and welcome here, Barry, with another cool little song. This is song number 25 from our list, and this is called Under the Boardwalk by the Drifters. And to get you to play this song, we're going to need three little things. Number one, we're going to need you to know the chords. Number two, chord structure, or song structure. And number three, a little play along. So, number one, getting and diving right into through this song is one of those songs I grew up with. It was playing on the radio as a 6, 7 year old running around the house, and whatever that meant, under the boardwalk and stuff like that, for me as a kid was just the melody of the song. So let's dive right into this cool little track where we start with our G chord, nice little G chord. That's an easy one. We're going to play the D. So we've got a D. Well, we also play an E minor. We've got a little G and then a D. So now we play a version of a D there. So where you just jump from the G to the D there. Look at that. And then we go to C and we go to E minor. Those are the chords. And then secondly, song structure. All the bars are played 2 bars. So meaning in the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 on the roof. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and shoes too. So all of them are played 2 bars, except for when we come to G and the G7. Those are played only half, well, 1 bar each. In this case, I drew that as half a bar, but that just indicates that we play that in this little song only 1 bar each. So also part of the song, it's a 4/4 straight 4. So you get to strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Or if you are a little bit more confident, you can do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 the roof. Or you could go 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and the roof. When the dreams get so hard, you wish the tired feet would fireproof. So that's for those with a little bit more confidence. And then thirdly is we're going to play along the little song. So let's start and dive right into verse number 1 for you. That is 1, 2, 3. On the sun down and burns the tar up on the roof. 4, 1, 2, 3. Stay on G, the shoes get so hot. Or you wish your tired feet with fireproof. 3, 4, 1, 2, under the board. So in that bar of G7, we'll go over to the chords. Let's go verse 1 again. 1, 2, 3. On the sun it's down, and the buttons on the roof. 1, 2, 3. And your shoes get so hot, you wish your tired feet were fireproof. 3, 4, 1, 2. Under the boardwalk. Now to the G. Down by the sea. Yeah. On a blanket with my baby. That's where I'll be. Under the boardwalk. Then that goes over to boardwalk, the little chorus. So we're going to do the chorus now. Please pause that little video or this little video and just play through that. I have made it and I've simplified it to make sure that there's a chord above a word. So, oh, the sun goes down, burns the tar up upon the roof. See, that could be a nice little dynamic way of playing it, only strumming it on the chord. And your shoes hot, your tired feet will fireproof. Does that make sense? Okay, cool. Now, into this jam for verse 1. 1, 2, 3. For the sun beats down, burns the tar up above you. And your shoes get so hot, you wish your tired feet would fire. Ooh. Yeah, under the boardwalk, down by the sea. Yeah, on a blanket with my baby, that's where I'll be. Get ready. Under the boardwalk and relax. So let's move on to the chorus. Same thing counts here. Both of these all the chords, the E minor and the D, is played 2 bars. Under the 1, 2, 3, out of the sun. Under 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then at the end we've got something different. We under the boardwalk. So what's nice here is we played on 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. What I do there is I play the 2 different E minor chords to give it a bit of sounds. Under the boardwalk, boardwalk. Try that if you are confident enough. Otherwise, just stay with under the boardwalk, boardwalk. And da-da-da. Okay, let's try that together. 1, 2, 3. Under 1, 2, 3. Under the boardwalk. Out of the sun, under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun under the boardwalk. We're walking above under the boardwalk. People falling in love under the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The sun goes down. We're going to do that chorus once more. 1, 2, 3. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun, under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun under the main boardwalk. People walking above under the boardwalk. Ladies, we'll be falling in love under the boardwalk. 4, 1, 1, 3, 4, and relax. Have fun. Pause that. Do the 2 sections separately and then throw them together, and that will make the following part so much easier. So let's get straight into the play along. 1, 2. So you can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, whatever suits you best. I'm going to start nice and slow for everyone to join in. Play along. 1, 2, 3. When the sun beats down, far up above the roof. 1, 2, 3, and your shoes get so hot, you wish your feet would fireproof. G7, under the boardwalk, down by the sea. Yeah. On the blanket with my baby, that's where I'll be. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Under the boardwalk, out of the sun, under the boardwalk, we'll be having some fun. Men under the boardwalk, ladies, people walking above under the boardwalk. We'll be falling in love under the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Next verse. Anyway, thank you very much for listening. What a great, great song for you guys to play along. Please download the song down below, because it will be the complete entire song, and have a play along with us. Change the chords, find them as many times as possible to make this fun. And if you like my art here, then please click the link down and buy me a beer. I appreciate your giving heart, and also for coming to check out these cool little videos. Take care now. Song number 25, Under the Boardwalk. Bye bye.